Imagine making a random image, and a few seconds later, it's blinking, breathing, and even moving. Sounds crazy, right? And a few years ago, it would have been. But today, with a little sprinkle of AI magic and the knowledge to make it happen, you're in the perfect space. And guess what? There are a lot of powerful AI tools that can do this. Some are even hiding in plain sight. And the best part? Most people don't even know these options exist. But you're not most people. And if you watch this video today, you're about to learn the secrets to unlock a serious creative superpower. Because once you see what's possible, you'll never look at a single image the same way again. Let's go.
I'm in ChatGPT and I've asked it to help me come up with some ideas for my next video. Here are a few of them. Pets, AI for kids. Not exactly what I was looking for, but one idea about robots and mud stuck out. So I asked it to give me more info about that. Then I asked it to help me write a script. Here's what it gave me, broken down into scenes. Overall, I liked it, but I kept refining until I was 100% happy with it. Eventually, I wound up with this. So what I'm going to do now is take these story ideas and prompts and go to Canva, where I'll start actually making the art for this video. Now I'm in Canva. First, I'm going to go to Canva AI and ask it to help me create an image. So I'll put my prompt from ChatGPT here. I'll choose 16 by 9. Let's see what Canva gives me based on this prompt. Canva will make 4 images at a time. Yeah, these look pretty good. If I want to boost the resolution of this image, I'll click here. So I'll go to the next prompt and do the same thing. I really like the Canva editor here as far as the image quality goes. It does an excellent job and can create images in many styles. Plus, being able to upscale the images right here is so convenient. So just do the same thing over and over for all your images. Now you can see I've made all the images for my story, and I'm ready to go on to our next step. Now I'm in Google AI Studio. This is free. I'll click on Generate Media then on the VO button. I'll upload an image and describe what I want the action to be here. Then click Run. I already chose 16 by 9, 8 seconds and everything. Let's watch it. Okay, that'll work. Now download it. Make sure you always download your videos here, because if you don't hook this up with your Google Drive, you'll lose these. So always download them just to be safe. So I'll delete this picture and add the next one there. Then I'll add the prompt and click Run. To turn all your images into videos inside Google AI Studio, just repeat this process over and over. Using this video generator, you get about 5 high-quality videos a day for free. Also, they are not watermarked. Now that I'm done, I'm ready to go to the next step. Okay, now I'm going to create the narration for my story. I've come to text-to-speech OpenAI. This is free and very simple to use. Basically, you put your text in here, then you choose your voices over here. You can choose by gender, age, country, etc. If you want to listen to a voice, just click on the sample buttons. Once you choose a voice, make sure you click on it and that it's highlighted. I'll get my narration from ChatGPT and put it right here. Here are all the lines for the narrator. I've chosen my voice. Next, I'll click on Create Speech. In a minute, it will be done. Click on Go to History, and you'll see a page like this. It's still processing, so give it another moment or two. When it finishes, it'll look like this. If you want to play it, click here. If you want to download it, click here. If you're ready to make another one, just click on Vocalize up here and follow the same steps. Once you're completely done, it's time to go to the next step. Now I'm in Canva. It's time to start putting this all together. First, I'll click on YouTube video or video, then I'll choose landscape. I've opened up several pages. If you don't know how to do that, click on the plus sign to add pages. Next, I'll drag in my robot videos, just like this. I'll also drag in my voices. To add them to the page, make sure you click on your page, then click on the video or audio. Canva will add it, then you can resize it. Just keep on adding the videos until you're done. The next thing I'll do is add some audio. I'll add the narrator first. You can see it's a lot shorter than the videos, but that's no problem. I still have more audio to add. I'll cut this up so that the individual pieces go with the right section of the video. I'll break it up into bite-sized pieces. I'll put the playhead where I want to cut it. Then I'll right-click on it and choose Split Audio. You can see it's now in 2 pieces, right? I'll keep going and break the whole thing up. Check this out. All of my narrator voice has been broken into separate parts. I've got 3 characters speaking in this video. Next, I'll add the other 2 voices. I'll do the same thing with them that I did with the narrator. I'll just listen to it and break it into pieces. Now I can move them around as I need to, but they are in the correct order. Now all the narration and videos match up.
I need some sounds. I'll get them in Pixabay. Make sure to read the licenses. I'll leave that to you. Then it's time to download it. I'll go to File, to Download, choose MP4, and click Download. In just a second, I'll show you the final product.
Meet Rusty. He's a curious little robot with one big question.
What's that? Systems check. Exploration mode on.
Rusty loves to explore. Then he saw it, a mysterious, squishy brown blob.
Ooh, is that chocolate pudding? A melted brownie? An alien smoothie?
It was mud, definitely mud. Rusty's circuits were not ready for mud.
Whoa, banana, blip, bloop. Oh no, I think I broke myself.
For the first time ever, Rusty felt stuck. He was muddy, messy, and a little embarrassed.
I didn't mean to mess up.
It's okay, Rusty. Robots don't like mud, but everyone messes up sometimes.
Squirrel cleaned Rusty up with some leafy towels and a lot of giggles. Rusty learned something new that day.
Thanks, friend. I'll remember next time. Look before you leap, and maybe don't leap into mystery goo. Mud was water plus dirt. Great for worms, terrible for robots.
What could possibly go wrong?
Mud is made of water and dirt, 2 things robots don't mix with. And that's why robots don't like mud. But Rusty, he'll never stop exploring. Curious like Rusty? Try your own non-muddy science adventure. Just ask a grown-up first.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.